Hey everyone, I'm Erin, the esthetician for Pear Skincare, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on the Pear Skincare 20% Justice Vitamin C Serum. We get a lot of questions about this, how to use, how is it effective, how does it work. The vitamin C serum is in this bottle to keep it dark, away from light, to keep it minimized from being oxidated. When you open it, you want to make sure that you have kind of a honey color. Dark brown means it's no longer good. And the way you want to use it is just put 3 to 4 drops in your hand. Make sure you put the lid on because nobody wants to lose good product. And go ahead and just smooth it onto your skin, and feel free to put it around your eyes, on your neck and your chest, and it may make your skin feel tight. Some people love that, some people don't. Go ahead and just put your collagen day cream, longevity cream over it when you're done. The key ingredients: vitamin C, and it is the ascorbic acid. So there's two kinds of great vitamin C, and ascorbic acid is the best working one that is for all kinds of skin. And our pH level is close to 5, and we have 20%. It's basically the best of the best. You can't find a better vitamin C on the market. Basically, the vitamin C is an antioxidant. It protects your skin. It also scavenges the free radicals that you already have. So basically, it reverses sun damage. It also protects from further sun damage. It also has arginine, which basically helps promote collagen. And you'll find these things in most of our products. So basically every product that we have in the line works together and does, so it's just, vitamin C, apple stem cell, the grapefruit extract, all of these things, hyaluronic acid, put together in one line, basically 5 products, and at a great price point, and you've got it all. So this one has hyaluronic acid as well, which basically traps molecules in. So sometimes if you want to mix a little bit of the vitamin C with a little bit of water, it's going to trap those water molecules and it's going to plump out your skin.